This is BOTIRO, aka my IKEA greenhouse cabinet. Well, it's not really cabinet, it's more like just a mini greenhouse. It has this cool function where you can, well, lift it open, but for now I'm just keeping it open. Starting off strong, this is my pingwicula. This is a carnivorous plant, so it can only be watered with distilled water. And eventually the plant will break down the bugs / whatever it catches and will eat it. No, it doesn't have a mouth, although the flower does kind of look like a mouth. But the leaves just suck it up. It has 3 flowers right now, and it's so beautiful, and these bright vibrant colors obviously attracts bugs. So over here we have this caladium, and it's really been thriving in here. Its leaves are actually hydrophobic, so it literally repels water. Look. I watered the terrarium, I think, half an hour ago, so everything just looks really wet. So over here I have this plant. Someone told me it looked like a Hoya, but I don't even have a Hoya, so if you know what this one is, just let me know. I have it spread pretty much across the entire terrarium, like here, and here, and here, like here, and here. Here I have one pretty big calycia. It's kind of too big, so I think I'm gonna have to remove it. And next to it is another variegated calycia, which I really love. As you can see, this one's actually producing a new branch. Moving to the side, you have this euphorbia, which is flowering. Funny story, my mom and I bought this one in Gran Canaria in February, and we obviously couldn't bring it home, so we gave it to the cleaning lady. And when I saw it here in the Netherlands, I obviously bought it in the terrarium. Moving up, we have this poly something. I keep forgetting the name, but I'll put it over here. So this is it. So yeah, it's really beautiful. And again, moving up, we have these succulents, which actually just grew as weeds here in a street right next to mine. So I picked some and put it in here. I watered this one once a month, and in the winter months I will water them twice. Not a month, but just twice in the entire winter season. And the cold seasons here in the Netherlands are basically spring, winter, and fall. So it's only one more month, and that is well, summer, and we're finally entering summer. Also, I'm not sure if you're going to see this rose. Thank you so much for this beautiful sticker. It's so pretty, and oh my gosh. Also, rose, your stickers are in this corner right below my window. Wow. Took a while to zoom out. And then over here at this Pilea depressa, I think that the plant really fits the name, because the plant can get really depressed and just die if not given enough attention. People say that you need to water them twice a week, but I've also heard people say that you need to water it twice a month. So I'm really not sure who to listen to. I should water once a week and it's perfect. So if you look at this branch of wood, there's this calycia in here, which is literally living in the wood. So you can see it is growing a tiny new branch. And I basically just carved open the bark and put some sphagnum moss inside, and it is growing. I've already told you about caladium. So if we look over here, I have this Hedera helix, also simply just known as ivy. And they grow like crazy here in the Netherlands. Like, you can't really see it, but we have an entire wall of it over here. Look at these colors. Wow. Oh no, I just found aphids. No, I literally just found aphids here on my leaf. That's gonna be so expensive. Pesticides like neem oil are just so expensive and takes forever to dry. Back to the greenhouse. As you can see, it's really rooting into the moss, so I'm just completely in love with this. So yeah, let's move on to this Gigantia. This is just a cutting I got from a friend. Yeah, it's really beautiful. It started rooting. It just finished flowering. It has these really, really tiny, cute, delicate flowers. And oh my gosh, these leaves are so weird, but it's really beautiful. Just like these Calicias. Over here, I think it's a jade plant. Not sure. So yeah, and I have this philodendron orange Congo. Not sure. Down here. It's really beautiful. It's absolutely thriving in here. I also have this philodendron in here. So beautiful. Not sure what this is called. I only know it as slaapkamergeluk. It has this really complicated name. Something with solarial. I'll just put it in here. I used to have one here, but as you can see, it dried up. So I'm leaving it because it's too much to pick up, and maybe it'll come back to life. You never know. Of course, the airplane in here, and this little thing was dirty, but it's glow in the dark. So well, I can see when I go to bed. I can just look at these, and it's really fun. Lastly, Felicia in here, and a Fittonia, another really tiny Fittonia cutting, and some dead euphorbia flowers which I have to pick. Oh, and the soil is really wet, but it's just because I literally watered it 35 minutes ago. Also, here's a little update on the Chlorophyllum cmosum, aka spider plant flower. I can't wait! This was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Bye!